Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can on and off disappearing messages on Signal app. So for that, first of all, you have to open your Signal app. After that, as you can see, this is the person with whom I am chatting.
So at the top right side of your mobile screen,
You will see a 3 vertical dots. Click on it. After that, click on disappearing messages. After that, here you can see that this right now disappearing messages is off. As you scroll down, it has been set to 5 seconds, and like this you can increase its time after how much time you want it to disappear messages.
so guys, after selecting the time, click on OK. Like this appearing messages will be on.
So guys, like this you can on and off disappearing messages on Signal app. So guys, hope so you liked my video.
Comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click on the notification bell on all to get the notification about my latest information and knowledge videos.